What are you doing?
Hello guys, today we're doing a bike check! My This is not my bike. This is my bike. I want everybody put on bug spray, too many bugs in this place. Alright. Down everything on a paper so I don't forget the bike part. And I want to say thank you so much for 100 subscribers, guys. It means so much to me. Well, let's start. Start in the back. So for the back wheel, we have a Primo Freemix wheel with the hub. Well, this is the hub. It's stock. And then for the peg, I have an Animal Butcher. It spins. It's really cool. It's cracked. It's normal though. This hub guard is a daily grind. Daily grind. It's supposed to be on this side, but I grind this side. So I put it there. This is a hub cleaner. Made it myself. It's shoelace. It's not special. For the chain, I have a Shadow half-length chain. I've had it for the longest time. It's done good. And sprocket Stolen Team 22 cranks. I've had them for years. They're pretty good. Pedals, I got Odyssey, Twisted PC, everybody's favorite. I didn't mention this, but I have a United Metro sprocket. Back to the video. I got Saddle Conspiracy bottom bracket. It's getting messed up, makes weird noises. Oops. Seat, I have an Odyssey monogram seat. I had it for so long. It hasn't even gotten soft yet. It's hard like a dildo, but it's good. I have a plastic seat post. If you watched my a few vlogs ago, it broke, and I just put it in deeper. It's awesome. Custom little jewel rubber band. My girlfriend made it for me. For my front, I have a Colt butter peg. It lasted a long time. I recommend it. I used to have a hub guard, but I took it off because all my spokes got loose because of it. I don't know why. I got a G Sport Marmoset front hub, female axle. It's cool. Spokes, I don't remember. I think these are Primo, and these are from a stock wheel I stole. I don't steal. I just took it off. And a G Sport bird. No, it's not bird cage. Not rib cage, not the bird cage, the one in the middle. I might write it down what it was. For the forks, I have Shadow Conspiracy Voltage forks. I think they are. I got them cheap from my friend. They're pretty light. They're pretty awesome. I haven't broken them yet. Hopefully they don't. Then on the top, Animal headset with these carbon fiber spacers. There's 3 of them. For stem, I have a Fit Bike Co. stem. I forgot which one it was. I think it's Benny's or Ben something. It's awesome. With the Odyssey valve cap. I had Odyssey forks, but I took them off. Bars. I have Shadow Voltage bars. Funny story how I got them. Got them for $5. Pretty cool, luckily. Everybody's one and only grips. ODI. Not soft, but I made them soft grips. They're tearing apart. Last but not least. No, it's not Shadow. What are they called? Odyssey Par Ends. Not bar, par. And pretty cool.
This is an S&M frame.
Good job. And that is my bike check.
Why do you have to sit? Could I use this paper?
So I got my little custom little rope. It's from a bag, and I ripped it off and tied it on. Looks cool. Oh, I got Delaware sticker. A Delaware sticker. You don't want this sticker. Sorry. Someday BMX. I used to be in that team. Ah! Oh God, I almost dropped my camera. Really, I have the frame, but we can call it ATF. We did it! Dude, there's like spray in here. When has that? If you guys see all the spray, my bad. I didn't notice that. Hopefully it's not that bad.
Oh, God. Is that bug spray?
I need new pegs, man.
Dude, it's cracked.
I know.
I'm really itchy. Kheven!
You don't get $1.
You! Are you done?
Thank you for filming, Daniel.
Oh, like this! So much helicopters. What is that?
Thank you guys so much for watching my bike check. Stay tuned for more.
Hey!
Hooray.